There's a little quail that me and Mom are taking care of. She's doing a lot better than was. She was just laying down. Now she's actually up on her feet. And give her water and cracker. So she's probably a little scared. Because, well, there we go. There's a better light for her. But if Mom found her on the side of the road, someone hit her with a car. So, we are trying to nurse her back to health. She's breathing alright. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I don't think they like light. But we put her in a box. Good news is we're probably going to be able to release her back to her family. She probably doesn't like the dogs barking. We have her up on top of the freezer. But she's healing. She's moving around okay and healing. She's got beautiful markings on her. You look at the markings on that. She's
One time I go out looking for a bug, and there's no bugs.
See, she's moving around. I don't think she likes the light of the camera.
No.
It's okay, baby. You try to pet her?
Yeah, I'll try and pet her.
Oh. She's moving. Oh. See, she's moving.
She's missing some feathers.
Yeah. Moving around. She's pooping. Don't want her to jump out of the box, so.
No.
She's now in her water dish. I think she's alert.
Yeah. Your foot wet?
She's very alert now. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, sweetheart. She's probably getting very angry with me.
Yeah.
Turn off the light. There, we turned off the light.
Yeah, she's definitely getting better.
She's moving.
Yep. Looks like she ate some of the cracker.
Mm-hmm. She's puffing up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a normal fear response. That's what we want to see.
But that's... You want to tell her about where you found her?
I was walking down to meet Amy at the corner of the road. And I saw this group of quail crossing the road. And then I saw this car coming through, speeding up to hit the quail. Missed all of them except her, clipped her. And I carefully approached, and she let me pick her up without a fuss or fight, and snuggled right into me until I could get to Amy, and then Amy carried her home and named her Princess. And if she gets better, we're going to return her back to her flock.
And she looks like she's doing a really good job.
Yeah. She's moving around really good. She's got a normal fair response now, which is good. That means she's alert.
I think the light kind of made her a little bit
Nervous.
nervous.
Yeah. So I am going to let her be, let her rest, and continue to get better. She ate some of the cracker. I'm sure she drank some water. She drank some from me at the bus stop.
Does she have water in there?
Yes, she's got water in there. There's water in there.
Okay, we're gonna stop the video. I just wanted to make a small video. We'll show you the little birdie quail, and she's doing better. So that's a good update. I posted another one on my Facebook page. If you guys want to see that one, you have, check out my Facebook. There she is.